And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:45 this morning. Thanks for waking up with us here on Channel 5 News. And the good news is, one, it's Friday. That's always a good bit of news. But also, it's warmer this morning. 50 degrees right now in McAllen. When yesterday we were in the low 30s. Many about 20 degrees warmer this morning than we were yesterday morning. So yes, chilly still, but a lot better than it has been for much of the week. And not just us, but much of South Texas enjoying warmer temperatures, partly because a little bit warmer air mass over us, not that Arctic air, and also more clouds around. It's still definitely chilly across the northern part of the state, near freezing in Dallas and Abilene, but overall, everybody's seeing a little bit of improvement. We will continue to see improvement as the weekend goes on. Now, here are those showers that have been showing up on radar, and it's kind of a scary sight when you open up radar. It's like, uh-oh, we got to prepare for the rain, grab the umbrella. I honestly would not even grab the umbrella, because if anything comes down, it's just going to be sprinkles. I've been looking at surface observations around San Antonio del Rio. There have just been reports of sprinkles, if that. Also had a little report of light rain. So this is looking more impressive than it really is. For most of us, it's just going to be cloudy skies. You might have to use the windshield wipers very briefly to get a few sprinkles off, but it's not going to amount to much. And then we're not going to see this rain later in the afternoon when those clouds break up. The Northeast is finally catching a break from the snow. It's almost gone out of Maine, but boy, it was crazy there yesterday. It was windy. Some parts of Maine saw around 2 feet of snow. Boston around a foot, and it's still very cold. So that snow isn't going anywhere anytime soon. So let's be thankful that we're here in the valley and not dealing with that kind of a mess. Because let me tell you, when you live someplace where that sees snow a lot, it's not fun anymore. It's nice when it snows occasionally. When you deal with it all the time, it kind of just gets old and annoying. That's from Cincinnati experience here. A few sprinkles this morning and cloudy skies. Again, a lot of folks are going to say dry. Notice the model barely even showing that rain. So that tells you it's not going to be impressive. If you see rain, you'll be one of the lucky ones if you wanted to see a little bit of rain. And as we get into the afternoon, the clouds are going to be breaking up. Now, I still think it's going to be mostly cloudy in the early afternoon, but by the late afternoon, most of us should see some pretty decent sunshine, partly cloudy skies, and we'll see highs in the mid-60s today. If you have any Friday evening plans, 9 o'clock, still partly cloudy skies. Late tonight, though, the clouds are going to build back in, and it'll be a mostly cloudy start to Saturday morning, and there could be some patchy fog in the early morning hours. I don't think it's going to be widespread, dense fog, but some spots could see a little bit of fog early in morning hours. And through the day tomorrow, I'm not sure we're going to see as much sunshine even as today. There's going to be more clouds of sun. Occasionally, you'll see a little sun. Occasionally, a little bit of more overcast skies. But overall, it's going to be a relatively dry day. There could be a quick sprinkle like today, but no substantial rain, no rain that you would need to pack an umbrella for. And it'll be even warmer. Today, 65. So temperatures actually pretty close to what they were yesterday afternoon. We would be warmer if not for the clouds. Very thick cloud cover in the morning hours, maybe a sprinkle or two. But as we get into the afternoon, those clouds will be breaking up and we will have partly cloudy skies. Winds light today, so once again, no wind chill factor to worry about. No wind chill factor tonight either. In fact, tonight a little bit warmer than last night. Lows only around 50 degrees. That's pretty close to normal for this time of year. Partly cloudy early, but mostly cloudy late. We might have some patchy fog very late tonight and early tomorrow morning, but I don't think it's going to be sticking around for the entire day. We're just going to be warming up. Though we'll have mostly cloudy skies and maybe a sprinkle or two. Highs will be around 71, and then on Sunday, I think we'll have a little more sun in the afternoon. That'll get us up into the upper 70s. It's going to be a windy day on Sunday, but it's going to be a warm wind. It's not going to be feeling chilly out there. A little cold front comes through Sunday night. It doesn't do much. I don't even think it's going to bring us any rain, but it will cool us down to the low 70s. Kind of a chilly start Tuesday morning, and then we'll be right back to the upper 70s on Wednesday. Another cold front comes in, may trigger a few showers Wednesday night to Thursday morning, but overall, a pretty quiet 7-day forecast with temperatures that I don't think anybody is going to be complaining about.